The 2013 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, power windows, fog lamps. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.